Hi, this is Vikrant Bapat here. This is our hospital building. These are actually poles we have placed for the purpose of placing the transformer inside the compound wall. This is the casualty entrance. From here you can take patient inside. Near the casualty entrance, this is a pharmacy store. And this will be the another gate. This will be utilized for relatives of Indo patients. This will be the OPD entrance. They still have to build a staircase over here, which is planned in next 10-15 days. This is the foundation they have done for the transformer, and there is one more foundation done for the placement of DG set, generator set, which is likely to come within 2-3 days. Again, we are at the entrance of the casualty. We are getting inside in the casualty. This is the area where we are going to keep casualty beds. This will be a nursing store, nursing station. He is Mr. Sunil Zavdekar. He is a well-known journalist from Sakar newspaper and helping our project a lot since many years. This is a procedure room where we can do minor procedures in emergencies as well. Here we have separate departments, like we have planned X-ray department in this room. X-ray room. Here we have diagnostic room where we are going to place actually stress test, sonography, etc. This is our pharmacy store. Work is going on right now. We have frequent drawers to keep the medicines and shelf also. This will be our admission counter for admission and billing department, actually we can call it as. Here is one consultation room inside. This is dental department. Here is a platform there to do the work related to dental preparation, dental department work. And here we are going to place the chair of the dental chair. This is the elevator, which is there from basement up to the second floor. And this is the entrance of the OPD. This is the reception counter we have made for the OPD people, for OPD patients actually. And here there are total 2 consultation rooms available in OPD. work is still going on. We are going on the first floor now. On left hand side we have a general ward. First coat of painting is completed right now. Here we are going to place almost 6 beds. Here we have one semi-special room where we can keep 2 beds like twin sharing. Everyone has a separate bathroom. Plumbing work is done. Only thing is we have to put the pots and other things. Now they will place very shortly. Even taps. And this will be a nursing station where nurses can keep watch on the patients in this particular ward. And here we have corridor for the first floor. Now we can go to ICU room. Okay, this is one of our operation theatre. Medical gas pipeline work is in progress. These are the people who are doing medical gas pipeline work. This is another operation theatre. We are going to cover general surgeries, surgery related to orthopedics, opthal surgeries, gynec surgeries. There are 2 OTs we are going to divide into 2 parts. One we can use specifically only for opthal also. This is a area where we can place a scrub station. And here inside is the changing room. This is a labor ward. This is a labor room we are entering into.